Make flying with baby a breeze with the Flybaby Infant Airplane Seat, winner of the 2013 Top Choice Award by Baby Maternity Magazine. Flybaby is a one-of-a-kind infant airplane seat designed for face-to-face interaction between you and your baby during flight, keeping both hands free so you can tend to your baby with ease. Flybaby is designed for in-flight use and attaches securely around your waist and the seat in front of you, creating a comfortable hammock that supports your child. Flybaby is secure, regardless of the seat position in front of you, and a 5-point restraint system keeps infants safe in the hammock. So rest assured knowing that your infant is safe and comfortable. In fact, let's see what parents across the country are saying about it. More than just an airplane seat, Flybaby attaches to most chairs easily, instantly converting them into a high chair. It folds up quickly and conveniently into its included carrying bag, so you can take the Flybaby anywhere. Keep you and your child comfortable while traveling with the Flybaby Infant Airplane Seat. Infant travel made easy.